Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Om Manikanta by PCPL located in Goregaon West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the actual tower and the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 0.19 acres that will have one tower of ground plus 22 floors having premium 2 BHK residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near New Link Road, Mithanagar, Goregaon West, from where D-Mart is at a distance of 800 meters, SV Road is at a distance of 900 meters and Inorbit Mall is at a distance of 1.3 kilometers from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has gymnasium, toddlers play area, barbecue area, food pool and many more. And now talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK residences within the carpet area of 661 to 756 square feet. And talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Om Manikanta by PCPL located in Goregaon West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.